'Tis here. Wireless keyboard. Unboxing. Ooh. Flip. This is how it looks on the inside. By the way, this is June 2013. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Right away. This looks banging. Flip it out. Take it out. Put that to the side. No, yep, well this was in it. Just like that. That's all it comes with. That's it. Now this is the beauty. Look how thin. Not even bigger than my thumb. Look at that. The thin. My thumb. Power button's right there. Wow, nice button. Got your command button from the Mac users. And yeah, that's it. How it looks in the back. That is it.